Chapter 8 Introduction to Flash CS3. Getting started with Flash. Follow these steps to start Flash. First, click Start button. Second, select All Programs, Adobe Design Premium CS3, Adobe Flash CS3 Professional. The opening screen appears. It shows 3 panes: Open a recent item, Create new, and Create from template. Third, under Create new, click Flash File, ActionScript 3.0. The Flash window appears, the main components of which are shown in the following screen. Tools panel helps to create or modify graphics and text. Stage is the white rectangular area in the center of the screen. It is the place where graphics, text, and video clips are placed and animation is created. Panels. The various panels are used to work with contents in Flash. Property Inspector displays the properties of the selected object. Timeline is used to set the sequence of content in the movie. It is divided into frames. You can also create layers in the timeline. Tools panel. The Tools panel is located on the left edge of the window. It has tools to create or modify drawings and text. You select a tool by clicking on it. Some tools have a small triangle at the bottom right corner. On clicking it, a pop-up menu appears with more related tools. When you select a tool, Tool Modifiers appears at the bottom of the Tools panel. These are used to set tool options. The Tools panel is divided into 4 areas. These are Tools area, which contains selection, drawing and painting tools. View area, which contains zooming tools. Colors area, which contains tools for changing colors. Options area, which contains modifiers for the currently selected tool. Hand tool helps to navigate the content on the stage after zooming in. Magnifier tool has 2 options: zoom in and zoom out. Stroke color colors the outline of the drawing. Fill color fills color inside the drawing. Modifiers for the selected tool. Object drawing mode. The Property Inspector. Anything you add to a Flash document is called an object. An object could be text, images, lines, or shapes. The Property Inspector is the panel that displays the properties of the selected object. The list of properties displayed in this panel varies according to the object selected. For example, if you select the Line tool, the properties displayed will be color, line thickness, and line style. Thus, you can view, organize, and change the properties as you work. Property Inspector is usually displayed on the screen. If it is not on the screen, follow these steps to display it. First, select Window, Properties, Properties. The Property Inspector panel appears at the bottom of the screen. Second, when you are not working with the Property Inspector, you can minimize it. To collapse the panel, click the Minimize icon. Third, to open the Property Inspector again, click the Maximize icon. The grid. Intersecting horizontal and vertical lines form a grid on the stage. By default, grid lines are not visible. Click View, Grid, Show Grid. The grid is helpful while creating graphics. It helps you place and align objects at particular positions on the stage. You can change the size of the grid squares to adjust to your drawing. Rulers. Rulers appear on the top and left side of the stage. To show or hide rulers, click View, Rulers. The default unit for the ruler is pixels, which can be changed by selecting Modify, Document. You have the option of using inches, decimal inches, points, centimeters, or millimeters in addition to pixels. Creating a new Flash document. The steps to create a new Flash document are: first, select File, New. The New Document dialog box is displayed. Second, select Flash File, ActionScript 3.0 in the type list and click the OK button. Setting document properties. When you create a new document, it opens with the default settings for the movie properties. You can modify the movie properties by selecting Modify Document. The Document Properties dialog box is displayed. The options are shown on the next page. Saving a Flash file. To save a Flash file, follow these steps. First, select File, Save As. The Save As dialog box appears. Second, select the file and folder where you want to save your file. Third, type the file name in the file name box. Fourth, click the Save button. The file is saved with a .fla extension. Opening an existing Flash document. To open an existing Flash document, follow these steps. First, select File, Open. The Open dialog box appears. Second, select the drive and the folder. Third, select the file. Fourth, click the Open button. The selected file opens in the Flash window.